Hi friends, how are you? Let's make a square paper out of rectangle paper. Alright? Alright, so we got regular rectangle paper. And see, do you see this corner? We are going to fold like this. And align this line side to this side, right? Okay, we do it again, alright? Just to make sure you know it. So it's like, put this side and this side together like this. And make sure corner is right here. Okay. Now we use scissors to use this line. We cut out here. Now we got the square. Now you know how to get a square paper when you don't have square paper, right? Then you can make paper hearts and other stuff. Alright, have fun!